Let's get it. I pop a 16 passenger, this a G5, no, this not a challenger. Big one. I keep some numbers with me in the fridge, get cold seats, they accountable. Eaters. They like to geek, drink a whole bottle.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be doing a prep with me for vacation. So I'm doing maintenance, I'm doing packing and some shopping. I'm going to Punta Cana, so I have to make sure I get all my stuff done. So this is the agenda. I have lots to do. I have to do nails, hair, get my feet done, eyebrows, go shopping, and it's all spread out over a few days. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. If you guys want to see that, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And the first stop is getting my nails done.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to.
So y'all, I am done getting my nails done and they are so cute. 10 out of 10. And y'all, she only charged me $55, which I feel like is the perfect price. Other girls, they'll charge $100 when you start adding rhinestones and butterflies. She was so nice. She gave me a snack. Oh, my gummy bears are spilling, but she gave me some gummy bears with tahini. Like, I have never seen these before, but they are good. And she also gave me a goodie bag that has some oil and candy. I also bought a scrub. So this is a scrub that you can use if you shave your bikini area or you get waxes. Like, you want to make sure that you are exfoliating. So I'm going to be trying this out. But I like it because it is cruelty free. What else is it? Vegan, all natural. So I'm definitely going to be trying this. I'm excited for it. But we're starting off good. The nails look great. I feel like the time went by so fast. We were just talking the whole time. Now I'm on the way to Shoe Carnival because I want to find some running shoes. In Punta Cana, I'm going to be ziplining, then maybe walking around, and I just haven't bought any running shoes in like years. So it's time. I want to get some that are like a white color because white goes with everything, or maybe something like gray. I'm about to hit my earring, but something of a neutral color for sure. So I'm gonna do that after Shoe Carnival. The plan is to get my eyebrows done. I may get it tinted, we'll see, but I definitely need to get the extra hairs off. So let's head to Shoe Carnival. Okay y'all, so I'm in Shoe Carnival. I'm looking for some running shoes. I did find these New Balances. They're like a gray color. I'm gonna show y'all the price and like what they look like. Okay, so these are the ones I'm looking at for $70. I feel like this is a nice neutral color. They actually had my size, which is rare. Then they have some more New Balances. I am gonna keep on looking. These aren't really like good for running. I feel like those are too thick. Here's some more New Balances. So I'm gonna look probably in the men's section next to see what else they have, because sometimes the men could be cheaper. These are $69. These are like too thick for me though. I don't like that. All right y'all, I looked in the men's section. I did not see anything. So this gray pair that I got from the women's section is really nice. I feel like they were felt so comfortable. Like the foam inside of it feels amazing. It's a nice color. It can go with a lot of my outfits. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase these. So yeah, I got my shoes, and y'all look at my hair. Ooh, it's hot out here, but we're getting the hair done tomorrow, so it's okay. But now that we got the shoes, I'm heading to get my eyebrows done. So you guys, I finished getting my eyebrows threaded and tinted, so this is what they're looking like. She did an amazing job. Coco was so sweet and nice. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So tomorrow I will be getting my hair done, which I am so excited about. So this is it for today's portion. So now I'll be getting into my hair. It's the next day and my hair is done. It's very cute, got the curls at the end. Today is the last day to do everything because literally I leave tomorrow. So I have to get my toes done. So that is the first thing on the list. Then after that, it is just errands. So I think I'm gonna go to Target, Ulta, and a beauty supply. So 3 stores. So today is definitely a full day and I still have to pack. I started packing yesterday, but I need to just add some things to it, like things that I'm getting today and some other things. So the first stop is getting the feet done. My feet are all done. At first I was going to get white because I always get white, but I was like, let me try to get a color to match my nails. So I tried to get one to like the closest shade, so it was like a very light pink but kind of gets white too, but it's very cute. But now I'm going to Ulta. I need to get some concealer, setting spray, and maybe some waterproof mascara. So we're gonna see what they have in terms of that, but let's go into Ulta. First thing I need is a concealer. I love the e.l.f. camo concealers, so I'm gonna get deep chestnut. I actually have 2 shades because I like to mix them, but this is the main one and I ran out of it, so grab this. But they have a decent amount. Of course, it's just concealer, so like the range isn't like all that, but I honestly like using this concealer as my foundation, and since I'm going on a trip, I'm not really trying to put like heavy foundation on, so I'm gonna grab this. In terms of mascara, I love the Lash Princess mascara because it really makes a difference. I have it on now and it's only $4.99. This is the one I usually get, but I want to get some that is waterproof because I'm going to be on vacation. So I'm going to grab one of these. So I went into Ulta and Sephora. So from Ulta, I got the Camo Concealer and the Essence Waterproof Mascara. And then from Sephora, I got the One Size Setting Spray, the On Till Dawn. People keep talking about this, saying that it really helps their makeup stay on. I have oily skin, so I'm really hoping this works good, especially with me being in Punta Cana. I'm gonna be sweating. It's gonna be hot. I'm sweating now, and I'm not even on my trip yet. So I'm excited to try. I got the travel size. They didn't have the regular size, but this could be good because I never tried it before to see how it actually works. But now the next stop is Target to get some toiletry items. I'm in Target now, so the first thing I'm going to look at are the travel size items because I definitely just want to get some smaller stuff. I don't want to have to bring like a whole thing of lotion and etc. So let's see what they have. These are definitely nice to bring for the lips, but I don't think I need that. I believe I already have a mini think of Vaseline. I'm hoping I do. I may just grab it though, just in case. But these I have always wanted to try. The Cocoa Shimmer has a nice little shimmer in there. May grab one of these. It is $6.99 though, but I feel like this would be perfect for the vacation. Vaseline is just good too, just to always have as well. So for now I'm gonna grab it, but I'm trying to think back if I already have one or not. So I'm in the travel section and I am so excited. They have mini TheraBreaths. Like, this is so exciting. Like, I love this mouthwash. So this one is the Invigorating Icy Mint. As you see, it says TSA compliant. This is the Sparkle Mint one, anti-cavity. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one, but I am so excited that they have this because the other ones are literally huge. They have this little kit here, this travel container kit that has 7 pieces. Honestly, I may not need to get Vaseline because I can definitely just put some Vaseline at home in this. So I'm gonna grab this. I definitely need some sunscreen. They have the cream one that you can squeeze out of the tube, and they also have a spray one. I do have like a huge thing of sunscreen, but this could definitely just be easier to bring on the trip, so I'm adding this in there. And I do need a soap container as well, so I'm trying to see which one. I guess I'll keep the stuff in the family and get blue for my soap container. Baby wipes are always helpful because sometimes I don't feel like taking off my makeup, so this is just always good to have as well. They have so much, y'all. I'm gonna grab some hand sanitizer as well. This one is $1.19. They do have some other ones, but it's hand sanitizer. I don't need anything like that crazy, so I'm grabbing this one. I also need some toothpaste. I love the Crest 3D white one, so I'm gonna grab a travel size of this. I know I'm gonna be wearing makeup on the trip, so I'm gonna get some cleansing water. I love this one. This one is pretty good. I'm grabbing some cotton pads for my makeup, and I'm also gonna get a pack of cotton swabs. I definitely want to get stuff to wipe stuff down, so I'm gonna grab a mini thing of Lysol because this could be good to spray in the room or wherever, like with the remotes and stuff. They also have a lot of medicine. You always need to bring medicine on a trip. You never know, especially like being out the country. So I'm gonna get some Pepto-Bismol chews. These are great and I feel like they work really well. But they also have Advil and Tylenol, but I already have that, so it is no need to grab that. This is everything that I got. As you can see, I have definitely a good amount, and I feel like this stuff can still last for my next vacation wherever I go. So I need to keep track of it because I feel like every time I go somewhere I always have to get stuff, so I need to keep track of this. But I just like looking at this. It's just like so many nice things in here, but I feel like I'm all good on the travel essentials. So I'm done shopping at Target and I am getting tired all of this running around, but have one last stop. So the last stop is the beauty supply store. I definitely know I need some lash glue and some few other things, so let's go to the beauty supply. I am in the beauty supply, and as you can see, this one is huge, but the first thing I'm looking at are the bonnets. So I know I definitely need a jumbo one because these braids, like my regular size, will not fit. So I'm gonna grab this one. Blue's my favorite color, and it is a jumbo one, so it definitely should fit my braids. I have to make sure my edges are gonna be on sleek, so I'm gonna grab a little mini edge booster. This is just so nice for traveling, and I don't have to like do too much with my edges because I have braids, so this would definitely do the job. Now I'm looking at the eyebrow pencils. Usually I don't use eyebrow pencil, but since my eyebrows are tinted, I don't have to do too much. So I grabbed one in the shade dark brown, and it actually has a little sharpener at the end, which is so nice. So this should definitely do the job for the trip. Of course, we have to get some eyelash glue. So I just grabbed this one. This one is really good. It is more pricey than some other ones, but I have found this to be the best out of all the ones that I've tried so far. Usually I get this one, which is good as well. Actually, it's this one with the gold top. Usually I get that, but I think I like this one better. I feel like it has a better hold. But comment below what eyelash glue you like. I got everything that I needed from the beauty supply. So I got this mousse for my curls, so I can put this in here. Got my satin bonnet, very big and jumbo. My lashes. And then, of course, I need some lash glue because I lost my other one. Of course, every time I go to the beauty supply, I have to get a lip gloss. This one I really liked and I lost it, so I had to get another one. It was only, I think, like $1. This honey jelly, it is really nice. It has a nice little shimmer to it. And I got some earrings. These were like $3. My edge booster and my eyebrow pencil. So those are all of the items that I got. Now all I have to do is pack. So that will be the last thing I have to do before I go off to my trip. I'm back home and it is time to pack. Let me show you guys everything that I'm packing. So this is like all my clothes. I have some shoes, hygiene stuff, a whole bunch of stuff. And this is my suitcase. It probably looks like this is a lot, but it's just the way it's laid out right now. But let's get to packing. I finished packing, so I have everything packed up. It looks like a lot, but with shoes and everything starts to add up. Then that's my little carry-on. I'm gonna add my electronics and stuff to there. But I finished, and now it's time to take a nap. So you guys, this is the end of this pack with me, get ready with me, and making this video. So just getting ready for vacation, essentially. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot to do to get ready for vacation, but make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe because my vacation video will be next. I will be filming my trip with my friends, so definitely make sure you subscribe so you can know when that comes out and turn on the notifications because you'll be notified about that video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.